Shiloh Temple House of God Choir. Sabbath. April the 8th, 2016. Preparing for their road trip. This is No Bad News Network. No Fear But God Fellowship Assembly. Apostolate Pamela M. Pinkney Butts, presidential candidate for the United States of America for the 2016 election. And we are at Shiloh Temple House of God, located at 1178 East 79th Street in Cleveland, Ohio, where Apostle Stephen L. Best is the pastor, elect Lady Wanda Best Turner. Wanda Turner Best is his companion, wife. You're welcome. This is the Hebrew Pentecostal Assembly, and you are welcome. Be blessed till we communicate again. After the rain. Remember, after the rain. The sun will shine.